everyone, I just wanna do a quick video update for our Samsung dishwasher because this morning I put loads and then it's almost done. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Is it clean or whatsoever? So my first load with this dishwasher, it was learning experience because when I put the dishes on my first load, I put plastic Tupperware, and then when the cycle is done, the glass like this, it looks cloudy. So the second load I did not put plastic Tupperware and it's perfect. So yeah, it's clean as you can see, and this is the thing. Really works well. This is not plastic, it's silicone. And so this work really well. So it's not really so yan. It's clean. And here, look at that. This is not working. It's pretty dang good. And here. So this is the dishwasher liquid that I use. It's a great value, and so it says compared to what is called Cascade gel. And so this is the dishwasher liquid that I used. And then dishwasher rinse aid. It's from Albertson signature brand, and for sure you can find great value as well. Here you'll put the dishwasher rinse aid here, but you don't put every single load. And here is the dishwasher gel, but of course you will put dishwasher gel every single load. But yeah, it works well. When you don't have water softener, usually you have a white spot because of the hard water. And this one, look at that, we don't have a white spot. There's no white spot in there. So that's why we got the 5-year warranty of these appliances, because at this moment we don't have water softener, but we are planning to get one. Learning experience: don't put plastic Tupperwares in your dishwasher because it will makes your glass cloudy, looks cloudy. So no, don't put plastic Tupperware. And so that's our update for our Samsung dishwasher, and it works really well for me. So that's it for this video. It's really quick video, and thank you for watching. See you on my next one. Bye.